Moana is a 16-year-old who lives on an island called Motunui. She always had this overwhelming feeling to be pulled to the ocean and explore what lies beyond her home island. However, the people of Motunui are forbidden to go past the reef. Being the daughter of the village chief, she needs to set a good example. When it is clear that her island is dying, she takes it upon herself to leave and go beyond the reef to find a way to save Motunui. She realizes she needs to help her people, for one day, she will be the leader of her tribe. Let's watch as Moana is drawn. Slow the video, or pause when needed during the tutorial so as to have a clear understanding of the drawing. I generally start by drawing the head, then work off of it, expanding each section as I go. I would draw the hair next, however, because it is flowing freely, I draw the arms as an ending point for the hair. The hair is just squiggly lines, so I waste no time drawing them. Notice my lines are not as consistent in dimension, or as crisp as would be in the true sense of when digital art is employed. Moana's midsection has a lot of small intricate details with her necklace beads and stitching on her clothing, so take your time drawing this. An interesting fact about Moana. Her name means ocean in many Polynesian languages. She wears a red waist scarf. The red in her clothing represents her royal heritage as daughter to the chief. The coloring of Moana was done using Microsoft Paint.